Sisemzimkhulu we-SABC sihatsha indaba bunqopha ngesindebele nanzi ezithutshileko. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umemezele ukuthi ingwenyama yamaNdebele uMakhosoke wesibili atshalwe ngokwekambiso yembusweni ngesigaba sokuthoma esikhambisana nokuhlonitshwa amajoni ngosondo.
Legacy in community development will be remembered, and the government expresses condolences to the royal families and the Amandebele nation.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ubuke ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili ngokusebenzela isitshaba samaNdebele nakuba mbumbanisi wesitshaba.
Knew about it because it's being sent to you, so clearly you had to do something.
Isikhulu samapholisa wendlela eGauteng sirareke sarara ibandla lekomitjhini kaMadlanga nasiphika imlayezo yaso kafunjathwako.
Angiboni ibafana idlulela phambili, ngibona ibuye ekhaya.
Sibhlungu khona ngebafana sikhala nabo South Africa.
Sengathi impela lama games azayo singazama ukuthi yena afaka abantu abagijimazwe phambili.
Badanile abalandeli bebafana ngemva ukuthi betshwe yiMexico ngamagondela amabili elizweni. Siyalotshisa emakhaya nanzi zamahwaqela ngesindebele ku-SABC 1 nginguCedric Mwebya lotshani. Sisemzimkhulu wezohatshe eSABC sihatsha indaba bunqopha ngesindebele nanzi ezithutshileko. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umemezele ukuthi ingwenyama yamaNdebele uMakhosoke wesibili atshalwe ngokukambiso yembusweni ngesigaba sokuthoma esikhambisana nokuhlonitshwa amajoni ngosondo.
Legacy in community development will be remembered, and the government expresses condolences to the royal families and the Amandebele nation.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ubuke ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili ngokusebenzela isitshaba samaNdebele nangokuba mbumbanisi wesitshaba.
You knew about it because it's being sent to you, so clearly you had to do something.
Honestly, I cannot remember this one.
Isikhulu samapholisa wendlela eGauteng sirareke sarara ibandla lekomitjhini kaMadlanga nasiphika imlayezo yaso kafunjathwako.
Angiboni ibafana idlulela phambili, ngibona ibuye ekhaya.
Sibhlungu khona ngebafana sikhala nabo South Africa.
Sengathi impela lama games azayo singazama ukuthi yena afaka abantu abagijimazwe phambili.
Badanile abalandeli bebafana ngemva ukuthi ibetshwe yiMexico ngamagondelo amabili elizweni. Siyalotshisa emakhaya nanzi zamahwaqela ngesindebele ku-SABC 1 nginguCedric Mwebya lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umemezele ukuthi ingwenyama yamaNdebele uMakhosoke wesibili atshalwe ngokwekambiso yembusweni ngesigaba sokuthoma esikhambisana nokuhlonitshwa amajoni ngosondo. Isigaba leso ngesiphezulu esisebenza nakukhambe isekela likaMengameli. Ikonzo yokutshalwa kwengwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili iyokubanjwa ngosondo etatawini lezemidlalo laKwaMhlanga iSolomon Mahlangu.
Umsikinyeko wenzeka enkundleni yezemidlalo iSolomon Mahlangu Stadium eKwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Lapho ikonzo yokutshalwa kwenkosi izabe ibanjelwe khona ngosondo ukuthoma ngesimbi ye-10 ekseni. Makhulukhulu abantu ekulindeleke bona abakhambela ikonzo le ngemva kokuthi sekumenyezelwe bona ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili uyokutshala ngokwekambiso yembusweni ngesigaba sokuthoma esikhambisana nokuhlonitshwa libutho lamajoni. Umengameli ubuye wathumela amagama okulilela isigodlo samaNdebele kunye nendlovukazi ngokucima kwelanga.
Ilanga elicimileko ingwenyama wamakhosoke wesibili uhlathululwe njengomuntu obekajojozela ibumbano esitshabeni sakhe. Asiye studio 10 kuphinde imsiza lapho acozulula khona indabezi nosolwazi uBranko Boholo.
Cedric isitshaba samandebele neSouth Africa yokana babetheke elongophiko ngokucima kwelanga ingwenyama umakhosoke wesibili khulukhulu njengombana ingwenyama beyigade ilikhuthalele kangaka ihlangothi lezefundo kanti beyisolo ikhuthaza ituthuko nefundo ebantwini abatsha ngombana balikusasa leSouth Africa pha hlangana nokhunye ubetshotshozela bona ilimi lesindebele libe khona emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko. Ngokunjalo nangehlangothini lesintu ubesolo aqinisekisa ukulonda nokuvikela amasiko namagugu wesitshaba bekawutshala ke nomoya ukuthi amandebele abumbane azikhagazise ngobundebele bawo. Njenganje ke ngikhambisana nesazi sezelimi namasiko wesindebele uBranko Boholo kanti emtatweni nginomengameli wehlangano ebuthelela beyithuthukise abafundi emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko eSouth Africa pha Indebele Students Association uThamsanqa Mahlangu. Boholo siyakulochisa begodu siyakwamukela endabeni zesindebele lapha ku SABC1 nanyana sibonana ngezibhlungu nje.
Kwamambala siyabonana begodu silochise na kumbukeli.
Boholo akhe usithathe usibeke ukuthi lingubani ilanga eliqimileko ingwenyama umakhosoke wesibili.
Ukumgagula ubabethu ngwenyama umakhosoke wesibili ngingamhlathulula ngokwendabuko yakhe bonyana uyindodana yengwenyama ilanga elacimako umbhongo wesibili. Ungumbhongo wesibili ngombana ngileli gama ulama umbhongo okthoma owaphuma komjekejeke lokho kutsho bonyana usizukulwane sengwenyama yakomjekejeke usilamba. Begodwa kumhlathulula ukuya phambili njengombana ke sewethulile esithulweni sakho bonyana ngiziphi izinto akade azikhathalele khulu zihlanu kwehlizwe yakhe khulu ituthuko yesitshaba lokho sikubona nangenkhundla ekade aziphethe nalicima konje ilanga ezikhambisana nokuthuthukiswa kwemiphakathi ngokuhlukahlukana njengoba nasisazi nje ubekade adosa phambili ihlangano eyengamele ingwenyama nendlovukazi ngokukhethwa mbuso weSouth Africa ngakelinye ihlangothi engamele ihlangano ethuthukisa imiphakathi endaweni zemakhaya eNorthern Cape nesifundeni seMpumalanga ngokwekoro yamandebele njengoba na isindebele sihlukene ngenkoro ngezindlu bangeba kwamanala.
Thamsanqa angize kuwe makobhole emtatweni nandilanga licimile lokho kutsho ukuthini kuNdebele Students Association?
Ngilokuchisa ababukeli bindaba zesindebele. Ngakithi njengehlangano sizuhlungu ngokucima kwelanga ingwenyama umakhosoke wesibili ngombana ubabethu bekungumuntu besibambisane naye nasisungulako ihlangano case abanehlangano naye sahlathulula bona umnqopho wethu namahlelo wethu ukuthuthukisa isitshaba sekhethu ajame bunjani kwaba umuntu osekelako yeke njengehlangano silahlekelwe.
Ngiyathokoza makopoli wakwamloyisani akhe sitsheje ihlangothi lamandebele uNdebele munye kodwa njenganje akhe usihlukanisele uManala uNzunza kunye namandebele eSouth Africa bangalesi sikhathi.
Ubuhlobo obukhona phakathi kwamandebele weSouth Africa namandebele wakwamzilikazi kufika kukamzilikazi aphuma khona lapha ekhabo esingathi kuKwaZulu Natal namhlanje kodwa siyazi bonyana wayevela lapha kwakuhlezi khona amantu ngakwesikhathi sokubusa kwelembe uShaka kaSenza ngakhona ekufikeni kwakhe lapha elizweni laKwaNdebele uNzunza noManala wayevele sekahlukene ngoba uNzunza wayengaphetsheya kwebhalule uNzunza anzinze esikhunjini lapha namhlanje esithi kuse Stoffberg ngaleso sikhathi uManala wayekade ahlezi ePitori ukufika kukamzilikazi amanzunza ayekade abuswa ingwenyama uMagodongo kanti ngakwamanala ePitori amandebele ayebuswa ingwenyama uSibindi omabili lawo makhosi akhona ukuhlalisana nomzilikazi kaMachobane kwaba nepi khona lapho kwahlukanwa kungakho namhlanje siyazithola ibongo zamandebele wakwanzunza namandebele wakwamanala kwamzilikazi bese amandebele weTlagwini sikhuluma ngamandebele wakwagegana laba abalapha eMledlani lapha ekuthiwa ke kusemukopani ngombana labo basizukulwane sakwaThombeni basizukulwane sikaYangalala uGegana ngokomlando esitshelwa bonyana ke nabo babathathu njalo uGegana uNzunza noManala babelethwa ngumusi kaMhlanga.
Boholo Asibuyele kuMagobholi eMtatweni. Magobholi, ikuphi enizokukhumbula kakhulu ngeNgwenyama hlangana nayo yonke indima ayilimileko ngehlangothini lefundo?
Unity bekade akhuluma ngayo ngiyo into esomkhumbela ngayo begodu how peaceful he was, bekumuntu ozithobako nasimbiza ku njengabantwana bekuba ngubaba azehlise phasi afike la simbiza khona.
Magobholi, ngikuphi ongathanda ukubona kwenzeka namkha okungafuna ukuthi kwenzeke ukuthinga phambili ukusuka la kilabo abaseleko?
Ngibawa sibambisane siyeni enkolweni begodu sisunguleni amahwebo wethu njengobana iNgwenyama beyi roll out amahlelo for black businesses and the like. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizinto ezinye nathi kumele sizicale sizicheje siziqiniseko sokubana siyachubeka ngazo ukubulunga igugu lakhe.
Magobholi, wakwamloyisani eselese siyisonga nje, ngikuphi esikulindeleko ngokutshalwa kwenkosi ukuthinga phambili ukusuka la?
Kuba siqundo somndeni ukutshalwa kweNgwenyama ukuthi kuba yinto eyokwenzeka kanjani, yenzeke nini, ukufikela lapha kubizwa khona isitshaba ukubana isitshaba sizokubhodla emswaneni. Ngemva kwalokho ke kulapha kutholakala khona amagama azokutsho bonyana ukuya phambili isitshaba siyokuya njani. Ukuya njani phambili kwesitshaba kutsho bonyana ngubani ozokuvezwa esithabeni njengozokwelama isikhundla. Sisazi njalo ke ngokwesintu sethu bonyana isikhundla sobukhosi asipholi, okutsho ukuthi akulindwa malanga, kodwa akubi yinto elula isithabeni bonyana singayazi msinya kangako ngombana kuba yinkulumo eyindumba yomndeni wobukhosi bekufike lapha ubukhosi bumemezela khona ngokubikela uhulumende nesitshaba.
Ngiyathokoza wakwamloyisani.
Siyathokoza.
Ikulumiswano yanamhlanje itshengisa kuhle ukuthi isigwego sakobingweni besilukhuthalele kangangani ihlangothi lezefundo. Kungakho namhlanje kunabafundi abadlula ekukhulwini abahlomule esibonelweni esivela eNgwenyameni. Ngakelinye ihlangothi itshengisa ukuthi ube kukhuthalele ukulonda nokuthuthukiswa kwamasiko kunye nelimi begodwa hlangana nokhunye isifundisa ukuthi uNdebele munye, kungakho kufuneka ibumbano phakathi kwakhe. Asibuyele kuwe studio Cedric.
Kanti nesekela likaMongameli uPaul Mashatile uthumela amagama wokuchiriya esigodlweni samaNdebele ngemva kokucima kwelanga iNgwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili. uMashatile ulilelene Ndlovukazi kunye nomndeni webukhosini nawo wonke umkhandlu ongamele amakhosi wathi iNgwenyama beyisibumbanisa isitshaba samaNdebele begodu izikhakhazisa ngesiko layo.
Nabe kakhuluma emhlanganweni namakhosi ePulukwane, uMashatile ubuka iNgwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili ngomsebenzi nomlando omuhla uchileko.
King Mabena was dedicated to the empowerment of rural communities and strengthening relationships between government and traditional leadership. He championed cultural preservation through annual events, fostering social cohesion and nation building. His Majesty's efforts led to the creation of the Forum of Majesties in South Africa, where he served as a chairperson until his departure. His legacy in community development will be remembered, and the government expresses condolences to the royal families and the Amandebele nation during this time of mourning.
uMashatile uthi iNgwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili beyisibonelo esihle sokuthi iNgwenyama yingwenyama ngabantu ngombana beyihlala ichochozela ukuthuthukiswa kwabantu khulukhulu labo bakhendaweni ezisemakhaya. Ibambiswano bengokhunya kubekelele phambili njengombana bekafuna nokuthi kube nechebiswana elidephileko kuhulumende namakhosi.
Madlanga ikhuphe imlayezo ebeyiphakathi kwesikhulu uSamuel Mashaba noTumelo Nku eveze uMashaba njengomuntu obekakukhuthisa intakamiswa ingasi umuntu ogade angutamnana. Isikhulu samapholisa wendlela esifundeni seGauteng uSamuel Mashaba uziphayile insolezi walandula ukubandakanyeka kilokhu nekuyinto engezelela ukuthindana kwakhe noNku. Komishini le isaphenya isehlakalo esenzeke ngomgwengweni ngo-2021 lapha kwejiwa khona intakamizwa eEriton.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga iqale imlayezo ebeyiphakathi kwesikhulu uSamuel Mashaba nelunga lomphakathi uTumelo Nku njengemzamo yokulinga ukuveza tshajalazi isehlakalo esenzeka ngomgwengweni ngo-2021 eAretin lapha kwejwa khona intakamizwa. Nanyana kunjalo uMashaba ubonakale azenza kwanga ulahlekelwa mkhumbulo nakatshengiswa imilayezo lapha uNku kade atshela khona uMashaba ukuthi khona umuntu owakhandelwa ukuthi angene ngaphakathi kwesiphaphamtshini esiya eAmsterdam wambawa ukuthi athulise amahlelo welanga.
I to suggest to you, Chief, that you do remember what it is about. It is a very specific conversation about somebody that was they were expecting somebody to come, and the person was not being allowed on the flight from Amsterdam, and you knew about it because it's being sent to you. So clearly, you had to do something. Because otherwise, why would it be sent to you? You needed to be notified that this person didn't make it onto the flight.
Honestly, I cannot remember this one.
uMashaba phamlini utshele ikomishini le ukuthi uNku kade angutamnana kodwana uMashaba nakatshengiswa imlayezo echijila okunganyisa nokhu ubonakale angasakhumbuli litho.
You are untruthful because you see that all these chats between you and Mr. Nku, and this is a point that was made by Commissioner Baloyi yesterday, you see that these countless chats between you and Mr. Nku show a picture that's totally different to what you told us, which is that he was just your informer.
Nakusenjalo obunye godu ubufakazi butshengisa ukuthi uNku uyabandakanyeka ekucabheleni kwamahlelo wokukhukuthiswa kwentakamizwa.
What I'm proposing to you is page 326 clearly records and shows that Mr. Nku was involved in a process of arranging for the importation and transporting of drugs into the country.
Okulalela kwekomishini kuyokuraga ngelesithathu mhla amalanga naka-17 nonyaka.
Nasibuya entolo.
The PICC had a meeting with the representative of King Maboko, who has agreed that going forward we should be able to work as one.
Nasibuya kosiqala irawurawe ephehuke kwadlawulale ngenxa yokuphazamisana ngengoma. Sisaraka nendaba mbukeli na usanda ukufika siyakwamkela nawe kanindaba eziyatholakala ku YouTube, Facebook, X, TikTok. Asirage nazo. Namhlanje sibuyelela indaba yerawurawe ephehuke eCyplus kwadlawulale. Amapholisa nakaza kufika aphekelelwa zinkulu zakwa Coxstar bayokufudusa imphathu khona ngenxa yamaphemithi. Usomkhandlu uBhayisikobho Makamo wezombuso ohlanganyela nezendabuko eLimpopo uthi indaba yamaNdebele iyazwakala begodu njenganje babuhulumende sele bazokusebenzisana nobukhosi bakwaNdebele nebakadlawulala ukwenzela ukuthi kungagcini kulimala amalungelo wamasiko wamaNdebele.
The Amandebele tribe has requested for their customs to have their initiation school starting from the 2nd of May ending 26 June. So what we picked is that some were running initiation schools illegally so, but their permits were coming from the kingdom in the Mpumalanga side. But what will make me happy is that there were 31 initiation schools which were having such permits, and they were able to meet each other, ourselves and the kingdom in Mpumalanga, to make sure that these ones can operate in the province when they don't necessarily have a permit in terms of the CIA or the Act. What we are going to do, we have agreed these initiation schools are going to be closed. The PICC had a meeting with the representative of King Maboko, who has agreed that going forward we should be able to work as one, despite the border which is there, but we should preserve the culture of Amandebele. They have made the case strong to the PICC. That's what the provincial government finally agreed, that their customs should be able to start right from the 2nd of May until the 26th. So we have granted. So there are almost 91 initiation schools that we have granted that. One condition which I'm happy with is that they are not taking young learners who are in the primary school. They only accept during that time anybody who has completed the matric. Therefore, it's either you are working, you will take leave, or you are at school, you will be able to take your time aside.
Ilutsha lingasebenzi kwelineziqu lizwakalise ukusilingeka ngokuhlayela kwamathuba wezomnotho eMpumalanga. Ilutsha lithumele incwadi yabo yenililo kuhulumende wesifunda abafuna ukunikela amathuba wemisebenzi ihlangana nokhunye. Ihlangano iMpumalanga Unemployment Graduates Movement isola uhulumende wesifunda ngokubhalelwa kuvulela ilutsha amathuba wemisebenzi. Ihlangano le ithi bafundi abaneziqu ababalelwa ngaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezihlanu namachumi amathathu abangasebenzi kwesifundeni esi.
Ukungasebenzi kwelutsha kusesesijijile esikhulu esifundeni seMpumalanga. Umnyaka opheleleko ilutsha elineziqu limachele ema-ofisini kahulumende wesifunda bafuna ukunikelwa umsebenzi. Kodwana bekubeka namhlanje akukho okujugulukileko.
We wrote a memorandum last year on the 12th of March. Since from last year up to date, there's no response. So today we decided to come here to submit the follow-up memorandum to them because they are always running away.
Abajameli ababili abajamele ihlangano yabafundi abaneziqu abangasebenziko bavakatshele ema-ofisini kahulumende wesifunda. Bafuna ukubandakanywa emahlelweni wezomnotho esifundeni esi kunye namahlelo athuthukisa amakhono ofundwa wabo. Okhulumela uhulumende wesifunda uGeorge Mthethwa uthi bayazithemba ukuthi kunamahlelo uhulumende awenzako ukuqalana nesitshijilo sokungasebenzi kwelutsha.
We are of the view that the programs that we are putting in place, and the Premier has outlined this in the State of the Province address. He has also in recent times outlined further the intervention that we are putting as the office and representing, of course, the various departments.
Uhulumende wesifunda unikelwe amalanga ali-14 ukuthi aphendule.
Asilotshise ekhaya ngelesihlanu nabujamo bakho bezulu livale ngamafu phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa lapha endaweni zabo George silithola likhona ithuba lezulu nge-30% ukuchinga lapha eGqeberha nangaleke ngegwini elingalenga kwaZulu Natal nomoya omakhaza ke ochidela kile sesifunda sangakwaZulu Natal ngegwini kusasa kanti ke nakhona kusesenjalo ngemafu avalileko lapha eGeorge nalapha endaweni zaGqeberha siyabona kodwa akhona amathuba wezulu nangaleke kodwa KZN nge-30% nalapha kezinye indawo zangembombela sithole lapha ke isilemukiso moya emkhawulweni wangale ngeFreystata nalapha ke ePumalanga Kapa kanti ilwandle libukhali ngale ngeGqeberha Tshejani ke niyelele kileza ndawo kusasa kodwa umoya usesenjayo banga ilwandle ukuthi lisilingeke ngale ngendaweni zangeGqeberha siyoqala lapha ke ukuthi kunjani amazinga okushisa sithome ngapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng kufuthumele ePitori ngemva kwamadina iBronkhortspruit ipholile kodwa ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza isifunda sonke ekseni yenbathe nifuthumele iLimpopo nayo ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhazana ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele kulapha ke endaweni zabo Thabazimbi la sibona khona ke ukuthi lipholile eMpumalanga sibona ke nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi isikhukhuza siyachisa ukuthi ke ezinye indawo kumakhazana kuye ngokuphola eKwaZulu Natal pheze isifunda sonke simakhaza sibonile umoya uchidela kanti lapha eRichards Bay neDurban kupholile ngemva kwamadina siyalapha ke ePumalanga Kapa nakhona isifunda sonke simakhaza imini yonke embathani nifuthumele lapha eGqeberha nge15 ngemva kwamadina siyalapha ke esifundeni sangale ngeJingalanga Kapa naso ke pheze imini yonke isifunda sonke simakhaza khulukhulu lapha ke Cape Town nani imbathani nifuthumele kulezo ndawo nje amathuba afika lapha ku15 degrees Celsius lapha ke kusehlagwini Kapa nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza endaweni eziningi Appington buyanganeno nalapha eKuruman ngemva kwamadina lithi uphola iFreystata ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza pheze indawo zonke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi zikhona ezisesemakhaza ukuthi lapha eFrankfurt nalapha ke eBothaville buye nganeno kuyaphola kokugcina sicela lapha ke isifunda sangale ngehlagwini Jingalanga naso ke sipholile ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kodwa ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza mbathani nifuthumela kube iphela veke emnandi dido.
Sizibeka lapha namhlanje indaba kanti ilanga lakho makube lilanga elinokuthula umusa.